Gesture drawing is all about capturing action, form, and the pose of your model. Timed poses usually range from 1 to 5 minutes. The shorter the pose, the less information you can capture. A good way to warm up your drawing session is through quick schematic sketches. A schematic sketch is focused on structure that you can define through geometric shapes, notation of proportions, and gestural lines. The red lines drawn on this schematic sketch represent the line of action within the form. The blue lines represent plotting out proportions and the hip's angle. Normally, lines of action and sight measuring occurs before you draw, but for demonstration purposes, I am showing you on top of the present sketch. When distinguishing figure and ground, you are separating the figure from the background. This allows you to understand the figure and its surrounding space. When adding value to quick timed poses, your goal is to spend the first 3 minutes using line to create schematic sketch, and then for the remaining time, add value with either continuous tone or broad hatching strokes. After you've warmed up, take a break, and then allow yourself some time to mentally prepare before beginning a longer, more focused pose.